John Neal here. It's Friday the 7th of April 2023. Good Friday, don't you know? And I'm going to take the train to Tamworth so I can cycle back. Although the railway journey only takes 12 minutes and it's only about 12 miles away, so I'm taking a longer route back than I'm going.
This is the map from Komoot, the app that's given me the directions, and Tamworth is at the top on A and Nuneaton at the bottom, B. But of course I've been on the railway, the black and white dotted line that went through Atherstone. Couple of mishaps on the way. First of all, the ticket machine I was tapping away at wouldn't work because the screen wasn't responding. Had to get a man in, fortunately, who was there to help me out. The train's lovely though, clean, quiet, and empty.
Go. I'm trying to follow Komoot, but I'm on the roads now. It says that I should be on this cycleway, which is here. Oh, it says up there, cycleway, and I'm still getting used to it.
Here's an underpass that goes under one of the main roads. Notice the sun is out and coming towards me, and there are no barriers, no bollards in the way at all. Take note of this, because later on it's not quite the same. Another underpass. Well, what could go wrong? Oh, I can just see a bollard the far side on the way out of the underpass. But can I see one on this side of the underpass? No, I couldn't. I missed it. Fortunately, I actually missed it as well, just by inches. Bit of a fright, really.
Well, it's time for good news, bad news. Good news is, it's a lovely day. There is not, well, there's a bit of a cloud over there, not much, but it's gorgeous, which it said it would be. That's nice. The train was okay. That was quite amusing because there are 8 carriages. When it got to Atherstone, it says you must be on the first 4 to get off. Well, I wasn't getting off there, fortunately, but had that been the case at Tamworth, I would have struggled because to carry my bike down 4 carriages would have been almost impossible. Oh dear. So yeah, and I've just now come from Tamworth station to follow Komoot all the way through a lovely maze of cycleways. So that's all the good news. The bad news, the maze, it was a maze. I honestly, I'll show you the what's on Komoot there. I was backwards and forwards. It seems to be a bit slow picking up where I am and where I've got to go. So I've got to learn to be patient with it. Otherwise we're okay. And I think now we're out into open country. Let's hope.
This road was completely blocked off and I had to pick the bike up and carry it over that gate. And by the time I'd done it, I thought I could have filmed that, but I wasn't going to do it twice. Oh, it was heavy.
It looks like an abandoned road. There's cat's eyes down the middle, and you've got this creeping vegetation coming from the side. There is a main road over there, so I'm not quite sure what it is. Fine for me. Long and straight, smooth, no traffic. It's what you want.
This is the M42 motorway and it's a nice feeling cycling over the top and avoiding it. Now I do leave the outskirts of Tamworth behind, and this is a beautiful road off towards Baxterley and Atherstone, which is 5 miles away.
I'm about 4 miles from Atherstone now, which is great. It's a lovely day, and I knew this happened. I'm finally going to have to cool down a bit. So, despite the fact, and the thing about the electric bike is this, you don't get hot on it. You don't have to push so much, and therefore, over a prolonged period, you could get quite hot. So that isn't happening. So I'm going to take this off. I'll have this as keeping me a little bit warm, but let's take the jacket off. And there we go, jacket off. Right, let's press on.
It's always nice when I'm out on a ride to stop and have a chat with people. And this couple were very pleasant, and we had a natter about bird watching. I could see there were bird watchers. Look at that lens he's got in his camera. It's even camouflaged. So leaving the little village of Baxterley and that lovely pub, the Rose, across the road called Bentley Common and onto 21 Oak Road. Let's see how many oaks there really are. Well, I counted 31, so there. Well, bit by bit, this ride has taken me to the top of Harts Hill Ridge, which is about 170 metres high. And this road drops right the way down into Atherstone, a good 100 metres below. And it goes through some beautiful woodland. The big stone wall is the Merivale Estate over there. On the right hand side is the golf club, and we're approaching the outskirts of Atherstone town. Let's quickly speed to the other side of town and across the A5, the Watling Street, on towards Witherley. And this is one of my favourite stopping off places. Oh, there's a dog there. Hello. This, of course, is the River Anchor, which has already been through Nuneaton. It's been quite wet recently, so the river's quite full and a little bit murky, I have to say. But look at the lovely view down to the church.
Well, I'm on the way home now, really. I know where I am. Don't need my commute to get me in here. It's a lovely spot. And yeah, everything's gone well so far. My rations, tiny banana. Oh yes, straight in, 2 points. Well, it is Good Friday, and which is a Christian, I'll say festival, yeah, this Easter weekend. So, hello mate. Oh, with Mrs. What do you want? Come here. So I'll go past the church anyway on my way back, and I shouldn't be too long because it's now 10 past 11, 12 past 11 actually. So it's about 30-40 minutes to get home, which will be nice. Back in time for lunch. It's been a good bike ride. By the way, the battery on the bike is still on 5 bars. It's not gone down at all yet, or so it says anyway. Right, let's move on. Wow, what a wonderful day. I mean, look at this. It's fantastic. 1 or 2 clouds coming up, but it's nearly 11:30. And it's absolutely fine. Oh, and this electric bike, E28, a Starley, brilliant. I mean, look at this. Got this hill here, and not a problem. I'm just going out of Witherley, off towards Atherstone. And this hill was previously a bit of a struggle, but now, see, I'm not even getting out of breath going up it, which is fine, absolutely fine. Yeah, it's been a good day. I might as well sign off really, because I'm on the way home now, and it's been a beautiful day. Everything's gone according to plan. Except one little, honestly, that bollard under that bridge was a bit of a nightmare, I have to say. Oh dear. Anyway, tragedy avoided. Thanks for watching, and you know what? If you're around, you'll see me next time. Okay, bye-bye.